Yo, Brian, help me with this side.
You probably hooked it up and over.
Yeah, you have like a little bit of a lip there. Okay, right?
I'll just let it fall. Push the table.
Well, we have to.
We push the table up. This will force it up.
I know. So say that this has to come up before this will go.
Watch yourself.
It's like it's buried on the backside though. It's not gonna. I don't think it's gonna lift out. I might. Yeah. You got a free picnic table, baby. Got washed up. All right, you guys ready to go back down? We'll get those. Try to get one of those other picnic tables out. It's honestly in good shape. It's nice.
Maybe we can come back. Keep riding them.
Dude, if you sand it down a bit, stain it, it'd be nice.
Yeah.
All right, let's go back up and see if those other ones are in good shape.
What are you going down at?
Cannonball! Jump.
We're working our way back up the Brandywine here. Where we first went in at, there was a bunch of park picnic table benches, like the wooden ones, all washed up together because we had a big storm a couple weeks ago that it was like the second highest the water's gotten, I think, ever on record. So anyhow, it brushed all that stuff down, and there's just a whole bunch of picnic tables up there. I'm gonna see if I can't salvage one of them and bring it home, maybe sand it down and paint it or stain it, and then you know, get a free picnic table out of it. Here we are back at that spot with all the picnic tables. Got Brandon and Darren in the far back, gonna help me try to break one of these loose. Not sure what condition they're in, but if we can find a nice one like the one back there we were sitting on, I'm definitely gonna take it and put it in the yard. So let's get this kayak so it doesn't float away. Up on these rocks. Let's see. So we got 1, 2. Oh, there's like skinny ones. Oh no. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 underneath 7, 8. Dude, there's like too many to even count. You have at least 10 right there, a whole bunch over here. Dude, some of these are in like really good shape. They're gonna actually work. All right, dude, we can definitely get one. Hold up, ready?
Yep.
Oh. Which one do you think would be the best to get? Here, give me those rods.
This would probably be the easiest. I just feel like this might be damaged.
Yeah, it looks a little warped.
Look at that one that's upside down right there. I don't think it's broken on that end. Is it broken actually? Yeah.
That one, we might be able to get that one up and over. What about the one right to your right? Here, I'm gonna come back down, man. Yeah, that one that you got your right hand on.
That one's good.
Is it? What is it, a small one? What is that? Oh, it's just the...
It's not like a single double seat. You know what I'm talking about? It's not like a full bench.
Oh, like the... Oh, okay. That one might be good to get. We'll take this bag off. We'll just put it right there, Brendan. And it's just on the ground. Bag's too heavy.
Yeah.
Dude.
So,
Dude.
let's take it. Yeah, we're taking this too.
It's all lit. Yeah, you see it? Looks like a gaff.
That top one right there.
Dude, there's even more all over here. Yeah, there's another propane tank. Yeah. What do you think it's from?
Whatever this is. I don't know, but it's like, what's all this? It's like a legit cooler.
I think this is like a trash can. Dude, all these up there too. Fire extinguisher?
Try it. You gotta pull the pin.
I don't know. It feels empty though.
Somebody came back here like you guys were.
I know.
And then come to the water.
Check this side. Another propane tank. That one's in good shape. Push it in.
Towards you. Yeah.
Hey, Brian, want to come over here and give me a hand? Hold her up. Yeah, I might be able just to yank it back. Ready?
All you.
Oh, shh. Honestly, if you come on this side there, we could probably pull it right back out and drag it.
I think it's call right there.
Where?
Let me go.
It's just like, dude, you don't know what step is going to just go straight through, and we're like 10 feet up in the air. You good?
Good. Yeah. Dad's like pushing me off this thing. Yeah.
Dude, if I go back. Hold on here.
You move Chris over there.
Alright, ready? Hold on. I'm going to try to drag it out. Just watch your feet, Brandon. Oh, it's,
Lay down, lay down.
yeah, you're good. But dude, this one's like perfect. Dude, it's literally perfect.
Take this, the propane tank,
And the fire extinguisher.
We got in fire extinguisher. Alright, let's off this and then we'll like.
Here, you should just jump down and slide her off. I got up in the air.
This is my bad foot.
You good? This thing's so heavy, I think. If we just lay it down. This is good.
Even like you're steaming. Bam, right?
Oh, yeah.
Looking like a mug.
There we go. Free bench. Yeah, that'll work. About to smoke that bluefish tonight on it.
Are you?
Maybe. Ready? Oh. Dude, this thing's heavy as hell.
I know. That's the big dog.
You good? Oh. We definitely salvaged the two most heaviest things in the whole entire Brandywine Creek. Ooh. Yeah, I'll say drop it right in here and then lead it up. Here, I'll try to pick up that side. Ooh.
We can fix that.
All right, we're gonna fix it.
Break the bench.
Yeah, there's a weight on it.
It just got to be hit down.
Yeah, because it's like the opposite way. All right, now watch yourself. We'll bend it up this way.
Smell broken.
Because I kind of opened that wall. Is she good?
All right, let's hit the road.